Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel ABR Tech. In this very tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you on how you can send and then maybe how you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, both Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, and the likes of them on Binance. All right. This video tutorial is mainly for crypto bank countries, like countries that their government has put a ban on their crypto trading. All right, so if you watch this video from the beginning to the end, you're going to be understanding how you can use P2P, that is peer to peer. That's the acronym for peer to peer. All right, you send money to someone without using crypto languages, and then they send you the USDT, but you're going to be following the lay down rules. All right, so please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel in case you are new to the channel. All right, don't forget to subscribe. And if you've been following this channel, you will understand that I have released numerous videos about Binance, but this one is just a deep. I want to give you a deep understanding about Binance, how you can buy, transfer, convert, everything that has to do with peer to peer. You will understand it in this very video. All right. So this is the aim of the video. And in case you don't understand anything, you are confused about any part of this video, please don't forget to drop a comment. You like the video, sorry, you like the video, then you share to your friends as well. All right. So please, you're gonna be talking more about how you can also sell. You won't only buy, but how to sell as well. But we're gonna be dealing with this step by step. So don't forget to miss a step. All right, don't skip a step. Just watch it from the beginning to the end, and you're gonna be understanding how you can do it. How I was able to do it on my own. But for the purpose of the tutorial, I'm gonna be using fake amount since I don't have money on it now. All right. So I want to assume you have logged into your Binance account, all right? But in case you don't have an account, you check the description for a link to register an account with Binance. Binance is one of the most popular currently, one of the most popular trading platform worldwide. It's one of the most popular, the most reliable, and I think it supports all currency. Okay, but in case your country is blocked, like I said earlier, you can still use this method, this peer to peer. Since you can't withdraw directly, you can still use pay to pay and then make your withdrawal without problem. All right. So I want to assume you have the account already. In case you don't have the account, excuse me, sorry. In case you don't have the account, just register. Click on the register there, or you use the referral link I'm going to be dropping in the description. All right, so for me, I have the account already, so I'm going to be logging in now. Okay, so we have numerous options here. You can log in with your email, your mobile number, but I'm going to be using the QR code. All right, so I'm logged on my mobile already, so I'm going to be using the QR code. And when you click on it, I'm going to be scanning the QR code, and I will be logged in automatically. All right, so I want to scan now. All right, okay, log in. I'm logging now. All right, everything is intact now. Everything is intact now. So I'm going to be walking you through all the method, and I want to believe your account is verified. Okay, now I can trade endlessly, limitlessly. Like nothing can limit me from trading now. All right, unless they discover an unwarranted login, they might block the account for some time, and I'm going to be retrieving it since I have all the details intact. All right, since I have all the details intact, so let's just assume you have your account verified already and everything is working perfectly for you. All right, so the first thing you're going to be doing here in terms of the P2P, you're going to be following every instruction here. All right, so to see content specific to your country with location, we suggest that you turn on your location, but that doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. All right, so here we are going to be checking your this card deposits, peer-to-peer trading, cash, Binance, all of those stuff. But that cash withdrawal and credit, all of those stuff doesn't work in Nigeria and some other African countries that are banned from paper. All right, so we go to wallet. When you go to it, go to fiat and spot. That's fiat and spot. Okay, that's an option. That's fiat and spot. Fiat is another trading currency. Like You can sell in fiat, you can sell in sport, all of those stuff. All right. So we are here in P2P. But whenever you're not trading a crypto, this is one thing you should understand before we forge ahead. Whenever you're not trading a crypto, whenever, let's assume you have a BTC, you convert it to USDT and take it back to your spot so that it doesn't, so that the price doesn't affect it, whether it's going up or coming down. It won't be affected. Okay, it won't be affected. Here we are selling. Okay, there are groups of sellers there, and all of them have a trading percentage, like how many trades they have executed, the percentage, how accurate they were. So you should be checking from 95 and above. The success rate should be 95 and above. All right, and you're going to be filtering. You filter the currency. What you are saying there, the CNY there, is for Chinese. That is why you are seeing Chinese sellers there. Right, I'm a Nigerian. I'm going to be using Nigeria currency, which is NGN. That is Nigeria. All right, these are all payments. You check the payment. What do you want? Is it transfer? For P2P, I think transfer is the best. Transfer, or maybe if you need mobile money, those things are the most important to choose. All right, you're going to be featuring those stuffs. Okay, you need to filter them one after the other to avoid confusion, so that you don't get yourself confused at the end of the day. Okay, so you're gonna be selling BTC, you click BTC. You're gonna be selling USDT, you click USDT. You're gonna be selling BUSD, you click BUSD. Right? You have BNB, that is the Binance coin. You're gonna be selling Binance. Is it Ethereum? Is it Doge? Or is it DAI? Okay, but for the sake of the tutorial, I think let's go with the USDT. Okay, we are going back to USDT. Let's go back to USDT. We have the USDT. Okay, now we're going to be changing it to Nigeria currency. Since I'm using Nigeria as a case study, since Nigeria is blocked, we're going to be using Nigeria as a case study. That one is popular and everybody know about that. They know Nigerians are blocked from trading crypto according to CBN policy. All right, now you read the notice. To avoid becoming a victim of scammers, never release cryptocurrency before actually receiving the payment. Don't. All right. So take notes to read those notice. It's important. Binance won't be responsible for any mischief you cause yourself here. They won't be responsible for it. And whenever you send a coin, there is no way you can reverse it, and there is no authority going to be reporting them to. So take note. All right. So I'm going to be buying USDT worth of 100,000 naira. Please don't mind the sum I'm going to be using here. I don't even have it. I don't have it. So, and I'm not even ready to spend it on it now. All right. But for the tutorial sake, you're going to be watching the example. All right. So you filter everything so that everything will work out for you. The first person is selling for 557 naira. Okay. And he has 517 USDT in stock. All right. So that person is eligible. But I'm going to be doing something so that you can see how you're going to be prompt each time you make mistakes. Like, you shouldn't be buying from someone who doesn't have up to the amount you are requesting. Someone who doesn't have up to the amount you are requesting, you shouldn't even dare buying from that person. Okay, since it won't go well. All right, but I'm going to be showing you this example now. You will see it. Let's see it yourself. Let's see it. Now I'm buying 100,000 worth of USDT, which is supposed to be 179. All right, that's the whole thing. You're going to be seeing the buyer terms and condition as well. Eh? If you have, if you pay from someone else's account, you are on your own. Don't include anything Binance, crypto, coin, P2P in bank description. So you should pay directly from your bank. This person has his own terms and conditions. Pay directly from your bank. Don't use other person account. All right. Okay. Look at that. Look at that instruction. This is what I told you about. Now we want to buy 173, and the seller has just 149. All right. The seller has just 149. Is not up to the amount you want to buy. Okay. So you should always check what the buyer has in stock, what they have in stock before you buy from them. Okay, you should check those things, what they actually have in stock. If you don't check it, you may think that yes, this thing is not going well, maybe it's network. It's not network. All right, always check what the buyers have in stock before you buy from them. We're going to be checking another example, what this buyer has have in stock and what you want to buy. Check, weigh it, which is bigger. The one you want to buy is bigger than what the buyer has in stock, or the buyer has enough in stock. If the buyer have enough in stock, then you are cool. This buyer has over 428, but another thing you should remember is that you are not the only buyer. You are not the only buyer. Sorry, the seller has in stock. You are not the only buyer on Binance. Okay, so at that moment you're buying, someone else might be buying. But so since he placed the order before you, forget the fact that that person has over 400 and something dollars in stock. Maybe another person placed an order before you. When they place the order before you, yours will be terminated. All right, and you'll be asked to check another buyer. Okay, you'll be forced to check another buyer. Now someone paid already asked before you. That was why everything here show less than what it used to be. Okay, that's why it show less than what it used to be. This seller is selling for 558. Okay, 558, and he has 309 339. Okay, 339. Now let's look at his terms and conditions. You are seeing the terms and conditions. Click on buy USDT. Okay, now this one is successful because no one is in competition with you. Nobody is competing with you, and they have enough. Successful, but he has been notified. I mean, that seller has been notified already that someone wants to buy. Okay, look at the terms. You have to perform it before 15 minutes, else everything will be cancelled. All right, since I'm not ready, I'm going to be canceling this order. All right, I will cancel this order because I'm not ready to buy. I don't even have the money to buy anything. Okay, look at it. You just have 15 minutes. All right, you have just 15 minutes to conclude this. If you don't do it before 15 minutes, Binance will automatically cancel it. It will be cancelled automatically. All right, so just I'm going to be canceling it. I will cancel. And when I cancel, I'm going to be showing you how you can also sell. Apart from buying on Binance, you can also sell in PayPal, sorry, in cryptocurrency banned country. Most of these African countries ban cryptocurrency. Okay, so I have cancelled the order. All right, I've cancelled the order. And remember, whenever you are buying or selling cryptocurrency and you want to make transfer from bank, don't involve anything coin, crypto, or any word that has to do with cryptocurrency. Avoid it so that you don't get your account restricted or banned for life. Not your crypto account, but your bank account, since your country is against it. Since your country is against it, you should avoid it as well. All right. So on the selling platform, you're gonna click on, when you come to pay to pay, you click on sell. When you hit the sell button, you can follow the procedure as it is with buying. All right. You're gonna be selling BTC, BSD, BNB, Ethereum, and all of that. You'll be following the same procedure as you are buying. So we're gonna be okay. You're gonna be putting the range. The range. Let me just put is it five? No, let me put 10,000 naira. Okay, 10,000 naira is cool. Then you search for who is selling from 10,000 naira and above. 10,000 naira and above, and now we are selling in naira. Okay, there are other numerous currency here, both Ghana cedis, Kenyan shillings, all of that. All right. So we're going to be choosing bank transfer. There are other transfer methods here, even web money. Okay, web money, cash, Zelle, all right, Bank of Georgia. Every other payment method, they have numerous payment methods here, but we're going to be using bank transfer because that is the most available. Yeah, it's the most available in these crypto banned countries. Okay, so following that option, okay, the first buyer, someone who that person you are selling to, who is buying from you, the first person there is 555, the rest are 554.24. All right, their price are quite appreciable. So you can sell to any of these things, but you're gonna be checking their completion rate, how they were able to complete it, and how many transactions they've done so far. So if anybody has made transaction more than 300 or 200, like, yes, some are even up to 1000, then those persons are cool. All right, payment method, you set your payment method, you put the number of USDT you want to sell, what quantity, but you need to check your balance so that you don't exceed your balance. Now my balance is 0.0000. All right, 0.0000. I have nothing there, but I'm gonna be typing 300, 200 and something. 224. That's 24. No, let me use another one. Um, you know why I'm releasing it? Because the amount is exceeding what the buyer can get. All right. So now 18 amount to 9,981 naira. Okay, 18 amount to 9,981 naira, and we say 10,000 naira. What the person I'm selling to now, can only accept within the range of 5 to 10,000 naira. So anything above 10,000, he can't. All right. So now I have nothing. I have nothing on this, and I think I have BTT. Okay, let's just head over to that sports. Is it sports? Yeah, let's head over to sport and see P2P wallet. Let me move something from my BTT. Okay, I have something on. I have something small here. Okay, this is 0. Oh, this one is way too small to convert. It's way too small to convert. All right, so and I think I have BTT. I have little of BTT, but that won't be enough. But you can just follow the same procedure to convert, and then you do the same thing. All right, so that's exactly how you can buy and sell on P2P. Okay, that's exactly how you can do it. There is no two ways about it. It's as easy as that. And in case, please, you don't understand anything, like this very one that I'm showing now is just a bonus. It has nothing to do with P2P. It's just a bonus how to convert from fiat and spot to P2P before you sell. But remember, you need to convert from spot, from your spot wallet to P2P wallet. But now it has not been changed from P2P wallet to fund. You convert from spot to your fund. When you send it to your fund, okay, that's funding. From fiat and spot to funding. When it's in your fund, you can sell on P2P, or yeah, you can sell on P2P and you get paid in your currency. And you should warn the person not to use the word crypto, coin, BTC, or anything to avoid your bank account being blocked, all right, by your bank or your banking institution, your financial institution, sorry. All right. So that's exactly how to do it. And after doing that, you can just go ahead and sell. All right. So listen to all the instructions I've told you so far. Now, the first instruction is, don't ever release your coin before being paid. You should be paid before you release the coin. That's one. The second, don't use the word crypto while sending or maybe receiving. Warn them. All right. And the third, make sure you confirm the seller is human. Don't be deceived by outrageous price. Some prices are way too big to believe. So you should at least put a call across to confirm that this person is real. And if the person is real, they should send money before you release your coin. All right. And the person you're paying to should be human as well. Be sure. And if those things doesn't work out, you should file a complaint. Not in the case you've released your coin, no. So that you don't get into trouble. All right. So that's just a procedure. You can transfer, convert from here to here. That's the implement from BTT to this, from BTC to funding, peer to peer, so that you can be able to make payment. All right. So please, in case you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. You like our video, drop a comment in case you're confused in any part of it. All right. And you can check out our other tutorials on how to build backlinks.